Uh-oh.
Oh no! We just split Rumi into 5 versions of herself.
You okay, Rumi?
I told you not to mess around with that thing.
Ah!
Free! I'm free! I don't like it here.
What's not to like?
Huh?
It seems the prism has divided Rumi into the 5 core parts of her personality.
Pink her happiness.
Red is her rage.
Purple is her passion. Orange or laziness. And gray is her timidity well. Well, at least now we know what the Rumi are thinking. This is gonna be awesome!
Saja boys, go!
Hunter, X.
As great as it is to finally know how Rumi really feels, they are actually messing up our fight because the prism has separated them. We can use the crystals to trap the Rumi and put them back together.
Oh, do we have to? I kind of like this one.
Should we be discussing our plan in front of her?
Don't worry about me. I don't really care. But I do. I heard it. You're not gonna use that on us. I don't want to be combined with these losers. That looks too scary to me.
I'll go if you come with. I'm good with whatever. Let's get out of here!
Go, go, go! Okay, let's go! We're gonna have to split up to capture all the Rumi.
I'm going after purple.
No.
Oh, come on, please.
Then Jinu and I will take the most dangerous one.
Pink! Ah, yeah, Pink! We may not come back alive.
Isn't she the happy one?
If you get close to her, she will make you laugh happily and not be able to use it again until you die from exhaustion.
Looking forward to this. See you!
I guess we'll go after the rest of Rumi. What should I do now? Where should I go now?
Rumi?
Just go away.
Hey, Rumi.
There she is!
Rumi. Pink, we miss you.
We miss you!
I missed you too.
Oh my god.
What are you going to do? The only thing I can do. Ah, Mira, be careful. Okay. You scared me, Rumi.
Don't try to achieve your goal.
Successful. Wait on the Jinu side, too.
Whoa! This Jinu, this hamburger is fantastic!
I know, dude. I know.
Whoa! Oh, shiny!
No!
We've captured all the Rumi except for Orange.
And we've already searched the whole city for...
Hello?
Huh?
She ate everything in the fridge. How could you...
Let's get our Rumi back.
Step in the dark and Rumi's growing colder. Shadows closing in, but I stand bolder. Dim voices whisper you can run.
Rumi, muéstrales a todos qué tipo de persona eres. Todos te huirán. Todas tus cosas serán mías.
Every scar just turned me heartless. Ice cold cold.
Nos vemos en el más
Days
allá.
of fear. Come a little closer, disappear.
Rumi,
¿Estás bien, Rumi? ¿Qué sucedió? ¿Dónde estoy? ¡Oh, no, mis marcas! Rumi,
Hi,
te despertaste,
girls.
sí.
You gave us a terrible scare.
Oye, ¿qué es eso en tu brazo?
Did you get tattoos and not tell?
no es nada.
Tell us if you're feeling better so we can go back home.
No creo que eso vaya a pasar.
Su pronóstico no es bueno. Tu compañero de cuarto ha sido envenenado y no te queda mucho tiempo.
¡Qué veneno! ¿Quién podría haber hecho tal cosa?
Take a guess.
¿Cómo te atreves a hacer estas cosas?
Ah, maldita sí.
Doctor, ¿hay algo que podamos hacer?
En realidad, sí.
Cada alma demoníaca que derrotes desatará energía purificadora, que es la de un adulto. Pero debe darte prisa.
Hunting demons to save Rumi.
Demasiado simple. Ve con cuidado. Y lo mejor es cuidarte.
Este lugar me da escalofríos.
Shh, demonios, adelante.
Tus caras son enormes. Tan divertidas. Tan afiladas.
Te amo.
¿Qué fue ese ruido?
Perdón por
molestarlos a los dos.
Pero nuestro amigo necesita
Señor.
tu alma.
Este lugar me da escalofríos.
Aún así, debemos darnos prisa. No queda mucho.
¿Ya empezaron los dolores?
Ah, no. No puede ser que seas un demonio. Ah, que alguien te ayude.
Por favor, no debes decirle a nadie.
Chilo hueco.
Pero, ¿qué pasa con tus amigos?
Ese fue el último.
Mira, y eso fue bastante rápido.
Justo a tiempo. Ahora, volvamos.
What? You're not going anywhere. Él tiene el antídoto. Brace yourselves. You will never walk out of here again.
¿Quién diablos es ese?
No lo sé, pero se nos acaba el tiempo.
No lo lograrán, Rumi. Necesitan saber que los llamaré y...
Better give up and let's end it. ¿Qué hacemos? Mira.
Creo que aquí solo hay una cosa que hacer. Eso es un pato aquí.
Rumi, we're
¿Ya estamos
here.
aquí?
Ah, pásamelo, aguanta.
¡Vamos!
Wow.
Lo hicimos, Rumi. Sabía que lo harías, mis amigos. Doctor, ¿estás bien? ¿Es solo que ella es?
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, friends. I really appreciate having you with me today.
Rumi, do you want to open the present? You'll love mine.
Did you buy me the latest iPhone, Zoe? Which one is it?
Oh, wow.
Not so fast! Rumi, everyone has to give you their gift.
Open mine. First, Rumi.
My gift is the biggest of all. Go on, Rumi. No, open. It's heavy.
Oh my god! Huh? Is this a pan?
Hey, I know you like pancakes.
You are the one who likes pancakes. And I'm not cooking for you.
No.
Go back to your seat. Ignore Gino. I've got what you want. Oh!
You are the best, Mira.
I've been wanting this iPhone since it came out. I can't wait to see. You know I'd do anything to see you happy, Rumi. A photograph is... that all? He got you. Don't hurt me, Rumi. You think you're funny? I'd rather not answer. Come back, coward. Wait, Rumi. It was just an innocent joke.
Help me!
Yeah, bad friend. I just wanted my iPhone.
Here, Rumi. This will surely make you feel better.
Is that a flying skateboard?
Yeah!
Oh, this is going to be fun! Whoa! It doesn't look like a simple toy.
Ah! Who's hungry?
Abby, I can't stop!
Oh, no! Rumi, easy there.
I'm fine.
Oh!
Silly gift.
Rumi.
Are you okay?
Rumi, open! My present, you'll love it!
It looks pretty big. What can it be? What?
Hey, it's a mystery box.
My mystery box? Do you mean a pile of empty boxes? What a great gift.
Hee. You're not seeing the art?
What I see is that you're extremely sticky.
Stop!
Don't fight!
She started it.
She's angry.
Whatever.
Rumi?
Here!
Thanks. Romance. But I don't think. It's perfect. You should have chosen your gifts better. Goodbye, baby.
Wait, Rumi, you're hurting us.
Open my present, please. This is the only fun part of the party.
It's cake time, guys! No!
Oh no. My birthday is completely ruined now.
Maybe this can cheer you up, Rumi.
I don't think that's possible anymore.
Come on, give it a chance. It might surprise you.
It's the last thing I'll do today. Oh, it's us. And this is OH.
You like it?
Thank you for paying attention to me. I shouldn't have played a prank on your birthday. I'm sorry. No hard feelings. I guess. Now I have 2 phones. Thank you.
Selfie time!
Good idea. Everyone ready? Say cheese.
Wasn't that hard to do your job properly? Such incompetence deserves punishment.
Please, forgive us.
It's not too late for redemption.
Consume every last drop of their souls.
That's what I'll do.
Not while I'm here.
No.
Are you okay? Quickly, I'll get you out of here. Follow me. Really, we don't have much time.
Is that a portal?
Yes, we can escape through there. Let's go.
Not so fast. I'd like to think you didn't believe you'd escape from me so easily.
You have to let me go. Are you crazy? We won't let you go.
I love you guys.
Romance!
Run and don't look back. I yell and distract Wyma. Hey, Big Grave, do you want me? Well, here I am.
Romance?
There's no time left.
Goodbye, my friend.
Look, the exit is right in front.
Sorry. What were you saying?
Uh-huh. No, don't worry. I'll stop them. Hey, mystery. Wait, what do you think you're doing? Saving you. But I can't lose another friend. And I can't lose you, Ginu? Go with Rumi. Save yourself. And live a good life.
No, mystery.
Don't do it.
He's so brave. And we have to go now.
Get your fucking hands off of me.
We're almost there, Ginu. Just a little more.
Don't you want to adopt me?
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you okay? I have to find my friends.
Yeah.
So, could they be around here? But what is he doing here? Oh no! What does he think he's doing?
No!
Oh. Derpy, something fell over here.
Oh my god.
Hey, look who is there.
I was able to stop those over there.
What the hell is this? Oh no! Ginu, help me! Fine, I'll do it myself.
You think you're brave, Rumi?
No, Rumi,
Don't do it. It's dangerous.
Huh?
What?
Rumi.
You won't hurt anyone anymore. No, don't hurt them. You can do it, Rumi.
You can do it alone.
Mom?
Don't let anyone make you doubt your power.
Try your best. Yes, Mom. Oh, here we go.
Not while I'm here.
Yes! We won!
Rumi, I'm sorry. I'm a coward.
Step in the dark and Rumi's growing colder. Shadows closing in, but I stand bolder. Dim voices whisper you can run.
Rumi, muéstrales a todos qué tipo de persona eres. Todos te huirán. Todas tus cosas serán mías.
Every scar just turned me heartless.
Nos vemos en el más allá.
Come a little closer, disappear.
Rumi,
¿Estás bien, Rumi? ¿Qué sucedió? ¿Dónde estoy? ¡Oh, no, mis marcas! Rumi, te despertaste, sí. You gave us a terrible scare. Oye, ¿qué es eso en tu brazo? Did you get tattoos and not tell?
no es nada.
Tell us if you're feeling better so we can go back home.
Não creo que eso vaya a pasar.
Su pronóstico no es bueno. Tu compañero de cuarto ha sido envenenado y no te queda mucho tiempo.
¡Qué veneno! ¿Quién podría haber hecho tal cosa?
Take a guess.
¿Cómo te atreves a hacer estas cosas?
Ah, maldita sí.
Doctor, ¿hay algo que podamos hacer?
En realidad, sí.
Cada alma demoníaca que derrotes desatará energía purificadora, que es la de un adulto. Pero debe darte prisa.
Hunting demons to save Rumi.
¿Demasiado simple? Ve con cuidado. Y lo mejor es cuidarte.
Este lugar me da escalofríos.
Shh, demonios, adelante.
Tus caras son enormes. Tan divertidas. Tan afiladas.
Te amo.
¿Qué fue ese ruido?
Perdón por molestarlos a los dos.
Pero nuestro amigo necesita tu alma.
Este lugar me da escalofríos.
Aún así, debemos darnos prisa. No queda mucho.
¿Ya empezaron los dolores?
Ah, no. No puede ser que seas un demonio. Ah, que alguien te ayude.
Por favor, no debes decirle a nadie.
Chilo hueco.
Pero, ¿qué pasa con tus amigos?
Ese fue el último.
Mira, y eso fue bastante rápido.
Justo a tiempo. Ahora, volvamos.
What? You're not going anywhere. Él tiene el antídoto. Brace yourselves. You will never walk out of here again. ¿Quién diablos es ese? No lo sé, pero se nos acaba el tiempo.
No lo lograrán, Rumi. Necesitan saber que los llamaré y...
Better give up and let's end it. ¿Qué hacemos? Mira.
Creo que aquí solo hay una cosa que hacer. Eso es un pato aquí.
Rumi,
¿ya estamos aquí?
Ah, pásamelo, aguanta.
¡Vamos!
Wow.
Lo hicimos, Rumi. Sabía que lo harías, mis amigos. Doctor, ¿estás bien? Es solo que ella es...